Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Castle Crush for iOS and Android. So this fully works, guys, so let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So what you want to do is go to this website, hexmods.com. They have tons of modded apps. Go to the search bar and just type in Castle Crush, and as you can see, it says Castle Crush right there. So just go ahead and press on it and then press the download button and it's going to start downloading. Now before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps to complete the instructions. They're 100% for free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. Alright, so as you can see, it should load. It says please complete 2 free apps or surveys to finish installing the Castle Crush mod. So it's going to be around 4 apps on this page. Just press on it, press tap to install. It'll bring you to the app store and you just want to download the app. So I'm going to see you guys later, but make sure you read the instructions. You can see it says download, install, run for seconds. But then this one says install and open and download the first 2 games. So I'm not 100% sure what you're going to see. So you might see different apps, but as long as you read the instructions, most of these say download, install, run for 30 seconds. But I'm in the US. If you're in another country, I don't know what you're going to see. So they could be totally different. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's super cool. And it's pretty easy to do. So yeah, once you do that, you should get your cache hack, which is pretty wild. As you can see, unlimited resources. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because this is super cool and it fully works. So yeah, just complete the verification and it's a one-time process. You can see down here it says complete 2 more offers to continue, checking completion. So it is actively looking to make sure you did it. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to tell all your friends about it, and peace out.